Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Driscoll, and I want to make a quick video about the experience that we've had with Omaha SEO. I've worked with a lot of marketers for a long time. I've had many marketers over the years, and we've had tons of these marketers that said that they could help bring up our SEO. And our SEO has never done really well. As a matter of fact, most of these guys, sometimes I think they make it worse. But ever since I've got with these guys, I mean, they have done a phenomenal job. Our SEO rankings, I mean, I think we've been with them 7 weeks now, and they have just skyrocketed. They've done a very good job. Phil's really easy to work with. He's honest, and he does what he says he's going to do, and I'm super happy with it. In fact, I'm so happy that we actually have another company that we pay to do our SEO, but I just completely stopped using them. I still have to pay them. I'm under contract to pay them. I have to pay them once a month for something I'm not even using because they suck so bad. So he's just done a phenomenal job, and I just highly recommend him. If you're thinking about looking for somebody to do your SEO, these guys are the way to go. They've just really ranked us. As a matter of fact, I was looking on my rankings today. I hadn't checked them for a while, and we have just skyrocketed up there. I've just never seen our rankings move that quickly. So if you're on the fence, I'd suggest doing it. Do what you want, but I think these guys do a wonderful job. So that's all I gotta say.